Hi everyone, it's me Sangi and welcome back to my channel, or let's say welcome to the another series of the daily vlog diaries. तो गाइस आज का व्लॉग होने वाला है थोड़ा सा अलग। मैं जा रही हूँ अपने डेंटल चेकअप के लिए। सो द लास्ट टाइम मैं डेंटिस्ट के पास गई थी वाज आई थिंक बैक इन 2022। तो ऑलमोस्ट 3 साल हो रहा है कि आई हैव नॉट बीन टू अ डेंटिस्ट। ओके, एंड मेरा क्या है कि सबका दांत का कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है। ओ माय गॉड, the first and last time I had a toothache was in 2018 जब मेरा first time इस वाले मोलार जो दांत है ना वहाँ में कैविटी हुआ था। एंड that pain still haunts me till today. Okay, so I don't want to deal with any of that now, especially now that I'm getting older. इससे बहुत सारे health complications तो होते ही रहते हैं. So I think it's important to invest your time and finances in doing things for your health also. Okay, so yeah, that's one of the reasons कि मैंने सोचा कि आज मैं dentist के पास जाऊंगी. And I'm gonna be visiting this clinic called as the Karma Clinic, which is located in 5th Mile Tadong, or say like 5th Mile Gangtok, near Manipal area. तो या गाइस अभी हम लोग रेडी हो चुके हैं एंड नाउ आई एम अबाउट टू लीव माय रूम टू गो टू द डेंटिस्ट. तो वहाँ में जाएंगे एंड मैं आप लोग को सब दिखाऊंगी कि वो क्लिनिक में कैसा करेंगे मेरे ट्रीटमेंट ना, क्या होगा एंड ऑल दैट. सो या गाइस प्लीज कीप वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. Hi guys, so I've made it here to the dentist. Okay, it's in 5th Mile. मैंने जैसे आप लोग को बोला, and I'm here at Karma Dental Care. So let's go inside. So this clinic is right next to the road, and here is Karma Dental Care. मैंने एंट्री फॉर्म ले लिया है. आई हैव रिटन माय नेम एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, तो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गो एंड आई एम गोइंग टू मीट विद द डॉक्टर. What is Dr. Lakshmi? How are you? I'm fine. Please have a seat. Okay, how can I help you? So, doctor, the thing is, I wanted to get my overall checkup for my teeth, and I did my RCT back in 2019, but then the filling has come out, so I just wanted to clean my teeth. And I think this side, my molar, this side also, I'm developing some cavity, so I just wanted to do an overall checkup. And I feel like I've been postponing my dental hygiene, or say like dental checkup, for a long time. Okay. But then finally I've decided to come, and I choose Karma Dental Clinic.
Okay. So glad you're here for your dental needs. Okay. So what we'll do first is we'll just do your general examination, and then we'll see what particular problem you have. Alright. Yeah, come. Initially, first Najee, you'll have a small cavity. This is a story of a cavity, right? The cavity progresses naturally, nervously, doesn't pain at all because it's on the first zone. That which is in zone, first zone, second zone, and third zone. The first zone doesn't pain. Second zone, okay? But then when it reaches the third zone, then you have this severe pain. And that is when we recommended RCT treatment. I mean, like you said, your treatment has been already done like about how many years ago?
5 years ago.
5 years? 5 years ago, what happens is now you've kept this thing open. Although the root part has been taken care, but what happens is over time the pressure for this, the food is getting inside the bone, the nerves also. Okay. So now what happens is, in two cases, we have to crown it. Okay, why crown it? When you nerve infected, we clean it and then we fill the nerve. Now it's like an empty vessel. anytime you can do it. That's why chip off on the bottom. So what we do is we do the entire cleaning again, and then overall we cap it, and then that's how you save your tooth. So you'll be able to chew properly, you'll be able to save your tooth, and surrounding tooth okay. So since your somatically ignorance, so we'll have to do cleaning. So, prognosis is any case को longevity कति समय जान्छ भनेर. So in your case, we will cap it, we will clean it, but भित्रबाट दाँत चर्किएको चाहिँ we will not give that warranty or anything as such. Anyway, medical health warranty भनेर हुँदैन. But then had you been मेरो visit अलिकति early भएको भए चाहिँ राम्रो हुन्थ्यो. But anyway, we still have newer technique, newer equipments and newer materials which will help save your tooth. Okay, whatever is there, we'll try to give you the best. Okay, the only thing is that you put a cavity on, so you cannot take it out with any medicine. So take it out from the place. There's like moila still, no matter how much brush, how much whatever you use, it's not good.
Guys, so I just learned here from Dr. Lucky कि मेरा जो ये वाला दांत है ना, it has been infected about like 70%. तो उसकी वजह से ना मेरा सिर्फ एक dental appointment से ये ठीक नहीं होगा. I have to come here for at least twice, no doctor? After this also. Yeah, twice to thrice visit लेना पड़ेगा. So I'm just gonna let Dr. Lucky explain a little bit. और उनसे मैं पूछूंगी भी कि how can we keep our oral hygiene, like how can we maintain our oral hygiene and all that. So yeah, let's ask a little debrief from Dr. Lucky. So after like today you saw my case, what would you like tell about my today's case?
Okay, so clearly थोड़ा बहुत negligence हुआ है. Okay, so what is it? Dental treatment, everybody wants to postpone it. It's not like you want to go to a spa today and you'll have an amazing day or time like that. But for dental treatment, you have to take out time. You have to understand the importance of it. So like in your case, the crown portion, the tooth has destroyed. About 70% destroyed हो चुका है. But still, when we looked at your X-ray, it is salvageable. थोड़ा है उम्मीद बचने का. So what we are planning now is we'll clean it properly, and then we'll plan for a cap, a crown, so that your tooth can last and serve you better. Okay, and I would like to say to your viewers or everybody, do not neglect your dental treatment. जब दर्द होता है तभी आना है. It's a myth. Okay, you just come for your monthly, 6 monthly checkup, see whether there is any cavity or not. Get it checked. जितना भी early treatment करोगे, the better it is.
Thank you so much, doctor. And some people are afraid of the dentist, no? कि like बड़े लोग भी, even adults are also afraid of dentists. So how would you like आपकी ये कर्मा clinic में, why should people choose कर्मा clinic? And यहाँ पे like how can we, those people who are afraid of going to the dentist, उनको आप लोग कैसे वो like वैसे type के patients को, how do you deal with them?
Okay. So dental anxiety is itself a term and it's a serious problem as well. But here in Karma Dental Care, we understand your problem. We just try to know you better, all right? And then we just slowly and steadily we just not only focus on treatment, but we'll try to give you an experience, because you come for a treatment and then we give the experience back,
Yes.
the good experience. That is what we make sure.
Okay, thank you so much, doctor. So, doctor, can you also let me and my viewers know कि हम कैसे अपने teeth को बचा कर रखें, like what kind of toothpaste to use, what kind of foods to avoid, ऐसे हम अपने teeth को कैसे safe रखें? आप थोड़ा सा हमें tips बता दीजिए.
Okay, first let me start with your eating habits. Up sticky foods which stays over your tooth, right? And then sugary foods. जितना हो सके आप खाइए, ऐसा नहीं कि मत खाइए. But then if you have eaten it, just realize that you need to game up your cleaning procedure. Okay? So अगर आपका दांत में खाना वाना चिपका हुआ है, तो that is only going to start your cavity and all the gum problem. उसी की वजह से है. So we've understood the problem. So now how we deal with it? Just be a little more assertive, है ना? क्या होना है? आपको floss लेना है. Just take off all the sticky food, whatever stuck between your tooth. Okay? सुबह शाम को ब्रश करना ही है आपको. You cannot avoid that. And make sure you have a fluoridated toothpaste. Fluoridated toothpaste is going to prevent your tooth from cavity. Okay? And बाकी आप 6 monthly checkup करेंगे तो we'll be able to see what problem you are having, what problem is starting, so that we'll मतलब पहले ही आपको एडवाइस कर देंगे हम whatever treatment is necessary. Okay? And crunchy food, healthy food, fruit rich in vitamins खाइए. That's very good for your teeth and your gums. Yes.
Okay.
Don't ignore your dental health. That is what I want to say. Your dental health displays your body का overall status. Okay? So that's it.
Okay, thank you so much, doctor. It was very insightful आपके साथ बात करना, आपसे knowledge लेना, and to also visit Karma Dental Clinic and to do my checkup. Okay, like यहाँ का पूरा मतलब आपका यहाँ clinic का ambience, आपके staff, and you yourself, बहुत like you make your patient feel very comfortable. Okay, which I experienced today. So I'm very grateful for that. And yeah,
we are so glad to have you, treat you, right? And give you the experience back.
Okay, thank you so much, doctor. So guys, जैसे कि मैंने आगे बोला and had a session with Dr. Lucky. मेरा यहाँ पे first session हो गया है and doctor will call me again for the second session. तो वही बोलते हुए आज का मेरा first session I feel very comfortable. यहाँ पे पूरा मुझे क्या बोलूँ उनके साथ interact करना. Okay, यहाँ का treatment बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. And if you guys are also someone who lives in and around Gangtok, है ना, मतलब गैंगटोक के पास में ही आप लोग रहते हैं, एंड इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग कि या फॉर अ रिलायबल फ्रेंडली एंड जिसके साथ आप कंफर्टेबल हो सके, आप अपनी अब अगर आपको भी प्रॉब्लम शेयर करने में वो होती है, दिक्कत होती है, एंड इफ़ आपको डेंटल एंग्जाइटी ऐसा कुछ है, देन आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड यू गाइज टू कम एंड विजिट कर्मा डेंटल क्लिनिक. ओके, और यहाँ का लोकेशन भी इट्स वेरी पास में, इट्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट बिकॉज रोड के सामने ही है. यहाँ पे अगर आप लोग टैक्सी में आते हो या फिर अपनी गाड़ी में आते हो, पार्किंग भी है शायद से, ना 5th माइल में रास्ते में ही पड़ता है. तो द लोकेशन एंड एवरीथिंग, yeah, it's just below the Manipal hospital. Okay, so it's very convenient, guys, and I had a very what do you call that, productive session today, and I cannot wait for my another session. And yeah guys, with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out I think you guys have your Instagram also, no? Yeah, Facebook and Instagram. I'm going to link, and मैं यहाँ पे screen में भी I'll leave their handle and I'll link their pages on my description. So make sure to check it out. And yeah guys, with that being said, I'll end my today's vlog here itself, and I'll see you all in next one. Bye.